Did you know some Indian cough syrups were found to contain industrial chemicals, the same stuff used in car coolants? In 2025, India declared three cough syrups toxic after several child deaths. Those are Cold Reef, Relife, Respirfresh. Tests showed deadly levels of diethylene glycol, a poison that damages kidneys and the nerve system. Now the government has cracked down. Every drug manufacturer must upgrade their plants to meet WHO safety standards. No more delays, no more excuses. This tragedy shook global trust in Indian medicines, but it also sparked reforms. Clean labs, stricter checks, safer syrups. Because one mistake in a lab can cost innocent lives.